In this video, I'm going to show how to send USDT from Binance to another wallet. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so stick around till the end. To start with this guide, open the Binance website or open the Binance app. Next, log into your account. For the Binance website, hover over or click on Trade here to open the pop-up menu. Then click on Convert and Block Trade. For the mobile app, click the transaction button down here. Click on Convert. When you see this page, click on Limit. You can use Market if you want to convert immediately, but I'm going to use Limit for this tutorial. Alright, we can now see the chart over here. But what you would do is go to the right side and select whether you'd like to convert assets from spot or funding. I'll just use spot here. In this field, make sure BTC is selected. Below that, make sure USDT is selected. For website, you can enter your available amount here, or you can enter the maximum available amount on your account by clicking here. For the mobile app, you can enter your available amount here, or you can click on max to input the maximum available amount on your account, and you'll see the conversion to USDT here. If all looks good, click on place order. For the website, go to this icon over here and click overview. And under my assets, you can see your updated USDT value here. For the mobile app, you can see a pop-up over here. Just click on convert to complete your conversion of BTC to USDT. After the conversion has been completed, click this arrow to go back to the home screen. Click the portfolio icon here and you can see the USDT over here. And that is how to send USDT from Binance to another wallet. Like if you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.